You don't want to write another book on Amazon using ChatGPT without watching this video till the end. Recently, Google started blocking blogs that use AI to generate content, and it's a matter of time it's going to cascade to Amazon. Listen, AI is not here to replace us, is here to assist us to make our work easy. So we have to understand that fact, right? So you and you don't want all your efforts, all your sleepless nights publishing books on Amazon to be a waste. That's why it is so important you have to stick to the end of this video so that you can understand every bit of it. How you should write your book using ChatGPT, right? Lest I forget, my name is Olabisi Ashishana and I'm an online entrepreneur and a content creator. In this channel, I share tips, strategies, opportunities you can leverage on to make money online. If content like this interests you, do well to subscribe, like, and share this video. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the business of today. Now, let's go ahead to ChatGPT. Here we are on ChatGPT. You click on if you are yet to sign up on ChatGPT, just sign up using your email. It's very, very simple. So here we are on ChatGPT and we want ChatGPT to write our book for us, the book we want to publish on Amazon, right? So at this point, I'm sure that you've gotten your topic, you've done your research, and you're ready to write a good book, right? So let's ask ChatGPT, please generate 5 topics on diabetes. Right? Okay, good. ChatGPT has given us 5 different topics on diabetes. Okay, I think I like this diabetes and mental health. So I'm going to copy this. Come here, paste it here. Then I give it a prompt. Generate outline on this topic. Generate an outline on this topic. So let's press enter. It's generating it for us. This video is different from everything you've heard about ChatGPT. Mostly when you go online, you see people saying write with ChatGPT, upload on Amazon. You don't want to take that risk. You don't want to take that risk. Yeah, you don't want to take that risk. Yes, I'm using ChatGPT to write, but stick me to the end of the video so you can see the trick behind all this. You see, it's generating a table of content for us. It's generating a table of content for us. Good. So we are done. We want to copy this first one. Copy like this. Paste it here. Elaborate on the introduction of this topic. Focus on, you're telling me what you should focus on this. A, B, C. Okay. Then you can also put this prompt: focus on unique and non-regularized content. Now it's generating for us. It's generating for us. So I won't be finishing all this because it's a lot and I don't want this video to be too long, right? So after this introduction, you can also finish it up by yourself. After this introduction, right, we'll be heading to another two, right? Also AI content that can detect that what you have generated from this chat GPT is AI, is written with an AI. And Amazon does not want this, right? They want originality. So there are also AI tools that can detect that. So after doing this, as I said, stick with me to the end of this video. After doing this, you want to go to copy link. There are a lot of them. Okay, after doing that, you want to come to copylink.com to check for, you can see copylink AI's based parallelism and AI content detection. There are a lot of them. You also have originality and all and all. So this copylink, if you're getting value from this video, do what to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. So now we want to check AI content detector. Here we are. AI content. So I'm going to copy what a ChatGPT generated for me. I'm going to bring it here and paste it. Yeah, we say check. You can see this, right? AI content detected. AI content detected. So it's just a matter of time. Amazon will also start doing this. But you have to make sure your account is safe. You don't want all that effort to be a waste, right? So now, once you see 85%, 85.5% probability for AI. That's on the high side. So once you get something like this, make sure that all your content you do this, just take your time. This book is going to be on Amazon for life, right? So you want to take your time to do a good book and a good content. Two book per week is okay. Once it's good, you're going to make good sales. Yeah. Especially if you're into the high content niche. So you want to copy this again. Then go to paraphrasing 2. You can use QuickBooks. You can use paraphrasing. I'm here on Google. Paraphrasing 2. I use this. Paraphrasing 2. And I also use QuickBooks. So let's use any one of them. Alright, so here we are on QuickBooks. If you are here to watch the video on how to get QuickBooks Premium, do so to watch it. It's working right now. So click on paraphrase. The reason why I love QuickBooks is because you can always adjust it to fluency if you want it, if you want it standard, if you want it simple, if you want QuickBooks to be creative and reframe this all content, it can do that for you. You can always, you want it to shorten it. Do you understand? That's one reason I love QuickBooks. But it seems the network is a bit slow. So I also use this paraphrasing tool, and the the advanced tool is actually QuickBooks. But then let's try this out. And another reason why I use this because it accommodates 10,000 words at a go. So that's another reason why I use this. Let's quickly check QuickBooks. QuickBooks is still rolling, so let's continue with this. So let's copy this, and we want to go back to copy link. Want to go back to copy link and check if it's AI generated or woman. You can see this ChatGPT test, right? This is woman test. This does not take us more than few minutes to get it done, right? So you want to make sure you do this. You want to make sure you do this. And there's also a very, very interesting tool that can also help you rewrite. It helps you rewrite your content. And you see, even though it's saying 46.5% probability for women, but it's still saying this is woman test, right? Compared to the previous one we saw. So you want to go to, but this last I want to show you is the game changer. Is the game changer, right? So you want to come here. The name of the site is Undetectable AI. It's called Undetectable AI. So I want to paste whatever I've copied. Okay. The downside is that for the free trial, it's just 1,500 words at a go that you can paraphrase. And if you want more than that, you can do what? Purchase it to up your game. It makes life very, very easy for you. So I'm already using it before, so I just want to reduce my words. I want to reduce my words. So let me click on Humanize. You can see. You can see this is rewriting the whole content for us. So you can see this. It has it has changed the whole. Okay, look at this. How to prioritize one's well-being for important reasons. Maintaining good mental health is essential for several reasons. You see this. This is the original content. Maintaining good mental health is essential for several reasons. See, it is crucial to prioritize one's well-being for important. You can see the way it paraphrased this, right? Like, in fact, this is so interesting. It's one tool that makes your life very, very, very easy, right? And if you can make do with the 1,500 characters and go, and you will actually enjoy it. Anytime you are able to to purchase this. If you got value from this video, do what to subscribe to this channel, give us a thumbs up, drop in the comment section ChatGPT so that it can trigger the YouTube algorithm to send this video to other people that might also but that might also be in need of this video, and do what you want to share to family and friends. Thank you very much, and God bless you.